Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to show you guys how to make homemade lip balm. I swear you guys are going to want to make about 50 of these because they are so good, and you'll be able to stash them all around your house, and they make really good gifts too. So let me show you what's in them. Alright, so for the main ingredient, it is coconut oil, and you're also going to use a little bit of raw honey, and right here you can see my essential oils that I chose, and the beeswax is going to help firm everything up. And right here I'm just getting kind of like a double broiler going. I'm putting my rag in there so nothing happens to my glass measuring cup. Stick that right inside and turn on the burner, and this is what we're going to melt everything down in. Since this coconut oil is the main base of this lip balm, you're going to go ahead and put about 5 tablespoons of coconut oil into the double broiler. I say about because sometimes some gets stuck on the back of the spoon, or you get a little bit more in each scoop, and that's totally fine. It's really not going to ruin much in this recipe. And then up next, you are going to put in 2 tablespoons of honey. And I do this one second because since there's coconut oil already in the tablespoon, it makes it a lot easier to come out, but I still somehow made it hard for myself because I used a second spoon. So either way, however you do it, 2 tablespoons of honey is just perfect. And then in order to allow the lip balm to actually set, you need to add a little bit of beeswax, and I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of beeswax, or else this will just be like a mushy mess, so this really helps out. So that's it for the ingredients. That goes on heat, so go ahead and give that a good mix, and then just let it be, let it get really hot and melt everything down. And while you're doing this, you can prepare your tins for the lip balm. I bought these tins off of Amazon and they were great. They were really cheap, so I'll go ahead and link them down below. And so with these tins, I'm opening them up. You see that I open up 5, but I ended up using 6 for this recipe. So just note to self, this recipe does make 6. And then go ahead and drop in about 6 to 10 drops of essential oils. I'm using the Young Living brand. But feel free to use whichever one that you feel comfortable with using. So what I'm doing here is with permanent marker, I am writing what the scent is that I used on washi tape, and then I'm going to stick it on the bottom because I do have some cute sticker labels for the top that I am going to stick on in just a little bit. Alright, and that is exactly what we're looking for. Nice and clear liquid. You don't want to see any more of those beeswax pellets. So since we're all done, go ahead and just pour them into each of the tins, and then you're going to see, like I said earlier, that I started with 5 and then I ended up with 6, and I was able to top every single one of them off pretty well. And then as I was waiting for them to set, I went ahead and started sticking my custom stickers onto the lids of each one of these, and this is just going to make a nice personal touch. Obviously you can get really creative with this, but also you can just pick up some generic stickers from the store and stick those on as well. I know for the holidays that would be super easy to do. There's lots of stuff in like the dollar bin at Target or whatever you may find around that you can stick on, but anyways, I'll show you what my personal stickers look like. And here it is all done. I hope that you guys enjoyed and that you're able to try it out for yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.